Okay, so I'm making this video to show you guys some things you can do in slides that were common missteps that I learned a little bit about as I was trying to make an example for you this morning. So just follow along and I will narrate what I'm doing on the screen as well. So I wanted to add a picture to this slide, so I went to Google and I put in functions of the digestive system, and I was trying to decide the best picture to use. And I know when I'm in Spark that I'm going to want this type of split screen layout. So I want a picture that's more vertical and not the shape of the whole slide. So keep that in mind when I'm picking my photo. So I'm in Google and I'm trying to find a good picture that talks about the function of the digestive system. And I liked this one, digestive system function, because it shows how the food is just traveling through all these parts to get out, and there wasn't too much text. So that's why I'm choosing this one. It's not the perfect shape, but I decided I wanted to go with it anyways. So I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to right click. So for me, that means control click. A lot of times it means alt click. Some people know how to double click, but you need this drop down menu. We're going to save image as, and then you're going to choose something to save it as so you can find it again. And then you're going to go back to Adobe Spark, and I'm going to do photo, upload photo, and then I'm looking for the digestive system picture, and it doesn't fit great. So I can edit it and zoom it in or out by holding this button to size it. And then I'm going to go to my next slide. So the first slide is the name of my system. The second slide is my function. The third slide are major organs. The major organs of the digestive system are the mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum. And then I needed to have the jobs of each of those systems, the function of that. So this breaks down food with mechanical chewing and chemical saliva digestion. So I'm like, I want to break this down into like bullet points. I don't really know how to do that, so I'm just going to hit enter. And then esophagus is the tube that carries the food to your stomach. And again, I'm just going to hit enter and use like a symbol to make a bullet point, because some of the text editing functioning is limited. So you just kind of have to adjust. Stomach is more mechanical and chemical digestion with squeezing of the stomach muscles. So this is called peristalsis. And stomach acid and digestive enzymes is the name of the chemicals. Then the small intestine's job is to absorb nutrients and pass them into the bloodstream. Oh, it's saying I can't fit any more text here. So I'm going to take some of these out by doing Control X. So I'm going to make another slide. There it is. And just say major organs continued, and paste in what I had already typed into the bloodstream. Large intestine absorbs the water and solidifies the waste. Did something spelling there. And then lastly, the rectum gets the waste out of your body as a bowel movement. Okay, so you can kind of see some different functionality that you would need to do there. So then I wanted, for my project, I still have to make a slide that goes into detail on one organ. I still need to talk about the doctors and the diseases and the ways to keep it healthy. So there will also be a video with the completed project listed. So there will be 2 video options.